Hi guys, this is a 1 minute recipe for fish balls. So if there's leftover fish from lunch, it can only mean one thing, that there were too many bones and there was not enough patience to pick out the bones and eat the fish. So I picked out all the bones and I took one medium onion with 2 green chilies, gave it a pulse, added my fish along with about half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a bit of salt and 1 tablespoon of gram flour. You can also add red chili powder. Now heat up some oil in an appe pan. Make balls out of this mixture. It should be crumbly like so. Just make loose balls out of the mixture. Put it in the appe pan. Just turn it over once. Cook it for 1 minute each side because it's already cooked fish. This gets cooked and gets brown really quick. So keep your flame low. Just 1 minute per side is more than enough. We had it with some sauce, I think chili mayonnaise and ketchup. Do try this at home guys, you'll be surprised at how they vanish off from the plate. Take care guys, see you soon with another recipe. Bye.